Welcome to Northern Technical College, Heavy Equipment Engineering section. My name is Patrick Mandona, one of the instructors in this section. This is a Powershift transmission, which is an hydraulic transmission. This type of transmission is used on wheel loaders. Specifically, this brand is for Volvo wheel loaders. But similar designs can be used or are used on other brands of machines. Now, I just want to show how we have improved lesson delivery at Nortech, how we have improved the skills development in line with the aspirations of government. So, previously we just used to teach students on the operation and the construction from the theoretical point of view. But now, we have advanced because we have the actual equipment. This piece of equipment here is a transmission. This is an electronically controlled transmission. These cables here are cables connecting this transmission to the computer, which is in charge of this machine, which is called either the powertrain control module or the transmission control module. Now, what is involved in this transmission? Number one, we have the shafts here, which we call the counter shafts. And in these shafts, we have got gears and drums. So these gears are the ones that are now able to connect drive from the engine here, coming into the torque converter, entering to the gear train, okay? Then down there to these two gears. From there, then the drive is transmitted to these gears, which are called the transfer case. Then from here, this one will go to the rear wheel, the other one goes to the front wheels. It depends on the design of this particular machine. Then these drums here, this is where manipulation of gear ratios are. From this, we can get forward gear, reverse gear, gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, gear 4, because this is a four gear machine. So we are able to demonstrate. Then again, we are able to demonstrate how this machine manages to automatically shift gears, because the driver will not continue shifting gear 1, gear 2. It will shift by itself. It uses sensors. So these are speed sensors that are, when we check here, you find that there is a gear, this gear here, and that is where it is able to pick information. This particular sensor is also a speed sensor, and when we check there, we find that there is a gear where it is able, so down there is a gear where it is able to pick the speed. As this gear is rotating, the sensor will be able to pick how fast this gear could be passing at the sensor. So the faster it passes or the slower it passes, this sensor will pick, send the information to the computer, and the computer will understand according to the program that this machine has been programmed. It will be able to determine whether you need gear 1, gear 2, gear 3, just like that. So this is how we are able to demonstrate. The down here is a filter. So you are able to demonstrate and show the students why we should change the filter. We show them there is dirt which is settled at the bottom there. So that is the reason why we are supposed to remove this filter at a certain period and clean it. So we are able to explain and show the learners everything that is needed to be understood. This part here, that is where we have our torque converter, which has been removed, and we are able to show the student everything, demonstrate how this one works, how it works, everything, and how the oil is able to move in order to make this transmission work. So from this model alone and all the demonstration here, we are able to transfer the skill even to a person who has never gone to any school, because under short courses or external students, we even teach in local languages. So you are able to explain even to somebody who has just attended grade 7, because he will be able to see when he goes into industry, finds another machine of the same kind, they will be able to easily remember what they saw and marry with what we explain from the theoretical point of view. So learning nowadays is no longer theoretical. So we are no longer delivering theoretical lessons. We are delivering theories, demonstrate, show the actual component to the learner. And any questions that the learner can bring, we are able to answer based on the actual machine that the learner is going to find in industry. So this can be taught, it is taught under full-time for all craft programs, all advanced and diploma programs, and for external students at whatever level of education. So the external is at whatever level of education we are able to demonstrate to them. This is just part of the equipment. Any other equipment, we have done the same in order to ensure that we are able to take the learners to a certain level of skill and understanding. Thank you.